Hi guys, you welcome back to my channel. This is garden egg seed. I'm going to show you how I make it to be soup. Guys, let's go to the kitchen together. Stay with me.
Everybody shake it, baby.
Yes, this is the garden egg. I have two types of garden egg here. I have the black garden egg and the white, the green types garden egg. I'm using this meat for the soup. I have shaki and biscuit bone and cow tail there. I have to season the beef. I have onion there, the seasoning cube and salt only. This is the garden egg. It has been cooked already. I have scottbonnet pepper and onions that I have just blended together. This is stockfish, the bitter leaf, and banga, salt, seasoning cube, and mackerel fish and crayfish, grinded one. So I have to pour in the stockfish to be soft. So I have to net it with that pistol. Then the garden egg with the pistol stick. So I have to pour in the banga inside the meat that have just been cooked. The bitter leaf, and I stir together. So I have to pour in the mackerel fish and the scottbonnet pepper and onions that I just blend. Then now I have to pour in the blended garden egg. And the crayfish inside. Guys, that is the last crayfish. Guys, I just forgot to put ogiri, so now I have to melt it with a little of the soup before I pour it in. So I'm adding some seasoning cube. So I'm pouring in the ingredient. I have to test whether there is salt. So now I'm adding this. Sorry guys, I'm forgetting the name. Call it. Let me say big crayfish. So the fresh one. I don't want it to be very cooked. That is why I'm pouring it last. I have to test and test. Guys, this soup is so good. You can try it and make it yourself. You will see how tasty this soup is. Yes guys, please, if you have not subscribed, make sure you do that and watch my video and give me a genuine comment. For those of you that have subscribed to my channel, I say thank you so much. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.